Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by signing into the Google account that holds the history. This matters because history is account-specific. Once signed in, open YouTube and go straight to Library, then History. On mobile, tap Library. On desktop, click the left menu. Make sure you know whether you want to remove Watch History versus Search History, because those are separate controls. Choosing the right one first prevents accidental deletions of useful data. Next, choose How to Delete. You can remove single videos by clicking the X or three-dot menu next to each entry. This is precise and reversible only by rewatching. Once done with individuals, use Clear All History to wipe everything immediately. If you want selective removal, pick Delete Activity By and choose a date range or specific day. Also, enable Auto Delete to automate future cleanups. This keeps the account tidy without repeating these steps. Finally, confirm the deletions and allow a few minutes for changes to sync across devices. Make sure to refresh pages. If you want to stop future recording, pause Watch History or use incognito mode for viewing. One key troubleshooting tip: if history still appears, sign out and sign back in, clear your browser cache, and check Google My Activity to remove linked records. These steps resolve most sync or caching issues so your deletions stick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.